Grammar is to writing what milk is to cookies, butter is to bread, popcorn is to movies. What does it mean, children? They are much more enjoyable when consumed together. So, let's learn our next topic, present continuous tense. Grammar book, lesson number 11, present continuous tense. In this unit, we will learn to use present continuous form of verb for talking about the things that are happening now. In simple words, we can say that when we talk about actions which are going on at the time of speaking, then we use present continuous tense. Students, you know that we use the present continuous tense to talk about the action going on at the moment of speaking. We use is, am, are with the ing form of verb to show what we are doing now. So, read some sentences and read them very carefully. I am talking to you. You are listening to me. We are discussing present continuous tense. You are reading your grammar book. Priya, why are you talking? Am I asking you tough questions? It is raining heavily. She is quarreling with others. Now, what we see in these sentences, in all the sentences, we are using is, am, are plus first form of the verb plus ing. Very carefully, all of you know already about this. Still, we will revise it. See now, I am. What does it mean? It means that whenever there is I, we always use am. He, she, is means he and she are singular persons. So we are using is. We, you, they. Plural numbers. So we are using are. It is. Singular number is. Now what does it mean in the last column? There is written closing the windows and my pet dog. What we have to do, we will make the sentences. For example, I am closing the windows. He is closing the windows. She is closing the windows. We are closing the windows. You are closing the windows. They are closing the windows. But in the last, it is my pet dog. Now children, see, we have some rules for present continuous tense, and the first rule is, as we can see on the screen, that S, what does this S means? S means subject plus is MR. Why I have written is MR? It means that we can use either is or am or are. What does it mean? That if there is singular number, suppose there is he, then what we can use there is. He is. Suppose there is she she is. If there is I, then I am. If there is we, then we will use we are. Then plus first form of the verb plus ing. What does it mean? For example, she is playing piano. Right? Now, second rule is subject plus again is, am, are. If this is negative sentence, then we have to use not after the use of is, am or are. First form of the verb and ing will remain same. Then we go to the third rule. This is the rule for interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences, you very well know the sentences which are having question mark at the end and starting with the helping verb is, am, are. For example, there can be, are you playing cricket? This is present continuous tense. I will show with the examples also. So now to our next slide of example. The boy is playing cricket. Here, the boy, because boy is singular, so we are using is. Is plus verb play plus ing. The boy is playing cricket. Likewise, Rohini is dancing. The dog is barking. My mother is cooking food for me. I am swimming. They are running a race. The teacher is teaching the students. So children, I hope you understand the concept of present continuous tense. Learn and do more and more practice. Stay safe, stay happy.